Students, I welcome you all to this class. Students, we will learn today a new poem of your textbook. Before going through the poem, let us watch two video clips.
गीतिकार परशुराम बेहेरांकर ओडिया पल्ली गीत गाई चरीगले हिड़ी हिड़ी कालो बाछुरी चरिला रंपा हाथरू कंकण ओल्हेई रखिली पोइली कनक चंपा गाई चरीगले हिड़ी हिड़ी कालो बाछुरी चरिला रंपा हाथरू कंकण ओल्हेई रखिली पोइली कनक चंपा चहट चंपा से गजमुकुतालो गेरस्तर तन मुधी संबलपुरिया दारू हलदिलो गोरी देही जाए भिदी।
Students, you watched two video clips. Tell me what are the song and dance based upon? Students, the song and dance are based upon the culture, custom, habit, traditions, joys and sorrows of the people living in villages or rural areas. These song and dance are called folk dance and folk song because they deals with the tradition and culture, joys and sorrows of the people living in the rural areas. Students, let us today learn a folk poem which deals with the tradition and customs of the people living in the rural settings. The title of the poem is Village Song. Let us, students, learn the poem Village Song. The Village Song is written by Sarojini Naidu. Let us know about the poet. Sarojini Naidu was a poet and a freedom fighter. She was born in Hyderabad on 13th February 1879. She gave up her literary career and joined the freedom struggle led by Mahatma Gandhi. She was the first Indian woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress and the first woman to become the governor of Uttar Pradesh. She was popularly known as the Nightingale of India. The poem Village Song is included in her book titled The Golden Threshold. Let us know about the poem. The poem Village Song of Sarojini Naidu is a traditional folk poem. It deals with the customs, beliefs, traditions, superstitions, joys and sorrows of the people living in a rural setting. This poem is in the form of a dialogue between a mother and her daughter. The daughter is very much fed up with the worldly life and wants to go to the wild forest forever on the eve of her marriage. The mother persuades the daughter not to go to the forest, saying that the world is full of pleasure. The arguments of both the mother and the daughter has been described in the poem in a very simple and interesting way. So let us learn the first stanza of the poem. The first stanza is like this. Honey child, whither are you going? Would you cast your jewels all to the breezes blowing? Would you leave the mother who on golden grain has fed you? Would you grip the lover who is riding for to wed you? This is the first stanza. Let us know the unfamiliar words. Honey child. Here, mother calls her daughter honey child out of affection. Out of affection, the mother calls her daughter honey child. Whither means where. Cast means throw. Jewels, ornaments. Breeze means gentle wind. Grieve. Cause grief or hurt someone. Dukha dava, kashta dava. Riding forth, coming forward, riding on a horse. Ghoda chadhi ke asiba, that is called riding forth. Lover means your bridegroom. जोटा आम बर बोली कहती लवर। गोल्डन ग्रेन मीन्स डेलिकेट डिशेस और डेलीशियस डिशेस, सुस्वादु खाद्य। दिस इज द अनफेमिलियर वर्ड्स, लेट अस नो द समरी। The daughter does not want to marry. The daughter is quietly fed up with the worldly life and does not want to marry and wishes to go to the forest to live in the lap of nature. She wants to go to the wild forest. The mother addresses her daughter as honey child and asks her where she is going. The girl wants to go to the wild forest. The mother is trying to persuade her daughter. The mother wants to know whether her daughter will throw her jewels to the wind and leave her mother, who has nourished her with so much care and affection. She also asks her daughter if she will grieve her lover who is coming to marry her. The marriage has been settled, but the daughter does not want to marry. She wants to go to the wild forest, but her mother persuades the daughter, saying her that the world is full of pleasure. So this is the summary of the first stanza. Let us see the questions. Who is the composer of the poem Village Song? The answer is Sarojini Naidu. What is the poem included in? The poem is included in the Golden Threshold. Who in the poem does not want to get married? Who does not want to get married? The girl. Next question. Why does the mother call her daughter honey child? Out of affection, the mother calls her daughter honey child. What has the mother fed on the child? Delicious food. The mother has fed the child on delicious food. Golden grain. Golden grain means delicious food. Next is, who is riding for to wed the girl? The bridegroom. Bridegroom of the girl is coming riding on a horse to wed the girl. Next question. How will the girl grieve her lover? How? By denying to marry. Her lover is coming riding on a horse to marry her, but the girl does not want to marry. So by doing so, the girl will grieve her lover. How many questions does the mother ask her daughter in the first stanza? How many questions? 4 questions the mother has asked. Next question. Who does the girl want to leave? The girl wants to leave her mother. So this is all about the first stanza of the poem. Students, we learn that the marriage of the girl has been settled. Her lover is coming riding on a horse to marry her, but the girl is denying to marry. She wants to go to the wild forest to live in the lap of nature, but her mother is trying to persuade her daughter, saying that the world is full of pleasure. So this is for today, students. Thank you.